Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to enable microphone access in Safari on your MacBook. This is useful for websites that need voice input, video calls, online meetings, or voice recording features. Let's go straight to it. First, open Safari on your MacBook. Now move to the top left corner of the screen and click Safari in the menu bar, then choose Settings. Once the Settings window opens, click the Websites tab at the top. On the left sidebar, scroll down until you find Microphone and click on it. Here you'll see a list of websites that have requested microphone access before. Next to each website, you can choose whether to allow, deny, or ask. Allow means the website can always use your microphone automatically. Deny completely blocks microphone access for that website. Ask will make Safari request permission every time the site tries to use your microphone, which is usually the safest option for most users. Now look at the bottom right corner of the window. You'll see a setting called When Visiting Other Websites. This controls microphone access for new websites you haven't visited yet. If you want every website in Safari to use the microphone automatically, change this option to Allow. If you prefer more control, keep it on Ask, so Safari prompts you before giving access. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to Delft Stack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Now, if a website still cannot detect your microphone, even after enabling it in Safari, there is one more important setting to check. Open System Settings on your MacBook. Then go to Privacy and Security and click Microphone. Here you'll see a list of apps that can access your microphone. Make sure Safari is enabled in this list, otherwise websites will still not be able to use your mic. Once enabled, close the settings and refresh the web page in Safari. And that's it. You now know how to enable microphone access in Safari on your MacBook and manage microphone permissions for different websites. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video.